Looking to add a splash of color and a touch of tropical fun to your next gathering? These 4-inch cocktail umbrellas are just what you need. With 24 assorted umbrellas in bright blue, yellow, and pink, they instantly dress up any drink or dessert, making your event feel more festive and inviting. But these mini umbrellas aren't just for cocktails. They're surprisingly versatile. One creative user turned them into charming summer table centerpieces for a local senior activity center. By combining a paper plate, clean sand, small pebbles, and a bit of hot glue, they crafted miniature beach scenes that brought a playful, relaxed vibe to each table. The umbrellas, held at a slight angle against a pebble base, added just the right tropical touch. A small piece of colorful cloth underneath completed the look, turning simple supplies into memorable decor. What you get with this pack is more than just a set of paper and wood umbrellas. You get a simple way to brighten up your events, whether it's a casual backyard barbecue, a birthday party, or even cupcake toppers that stand out. Their 4-inch length makes them the perfect size, not too big to overwhelm, but just enough to catch the eye. Plus, the assorted colors let you mix and match to fit your theme effortlessly. If you're someone who loves adding unique details that guests notice and appreciate, these cocktail umbrellas are worth a look. They're easy to use, affordable, and spark creativity beyond the usual party supplies. Try them when you're ready to bring a little sunshine and fun to your table settings or dessert trays. Ready to upgrade your party presentation with a simple, colorful touch? Grab your set of 24 cocktail umbrellas today and start turning ordinary drinks and snacks into eye-catching highlights. Whether you're decorating food, crafting centerpieces, or topping cupcakes, these umbrellas bring that effortless tropical vibe you want. Give your gatherings a fresh look. Your guests will definitely notice.